welcome to this video. Today I want to show you this product. This product is a sliding tray. See, is this sliding, as you can see, have these wheels in the back side so you can move easily and it's color black and have this beautiful design like coffee. It's large, so you can use it with so many things, and you can use it in your home for coffee break, like this way. If you have a coffee party with many friends in all your table, you can use this sliding tray to pass the coffee without problem. Use it in your kitchen too for your electrodomestics. If you need to move some things easy in your kitchen, you can just move it and put it in your place again. So this sliding tray is easy to carry too because it's not heavy, and you can just take it and use it for camping or in your kitchen or any activity. So I highly recommend this sliding tray. See you!